You feel a sneeze building and pinch your nose shut. Most people think it's totally harmless, but inside, pressure builds instantly, with nowhere to escape. That trapped force shoots backward into your sinuses and ears. Tiny blood vessels in your eyes and face can burst from it. Your eardrums take the full hit of that pressure spike. In rare cases, it can even damage the throat tissues. The air compresses hard against your most delicate internal structures. Your body absorbs every bit of that explosive force inward. Doctors say, just let it out every single time. Now, like and subscribe before your next sneeze arrives.